Number 1. Agasthyar Falls. Agasthyar Falls is located close to Papanasam in Tirunelveli district in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. The falls is located on the western Ghats and to the south of Papanasam lower, the lake from where Tamiraparani river originates. It is located 42 km from the nearest city Tirunelveli. As per Hindu legend, it is the place where sage Agastya got a view of Shiva in his marriage costume. Number 2. Kanthimati and Nellaiyappar. The twin temples of Kanthimati and Nellaiyappar are the most famous religious sites of Tirunelveli. The two temples, one dedicated each to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, are the nothing less than human excellence. The several hundred years old temples have some very interesting sights. One of them is the Golden Lily Tank. There is also a hall with 1,000 pillars, each of them intricately carved and decorated. Number 3. Papanasam. A small picnic spot in Tirunelveli, Papanasam is a village close to the main town. As the name suggests, Papanasam meaning putting an end to all the sins, the waters of this place are known for their mystical powers of redeeming their wrongdoings. The mountains around it are home to 108 herbs which are not found anywhere else in the world. In its vicinity are main things which let you spend a gala time over here. Number 4. Kottalam Falls. Set in the midst of Panchayat town in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu, the Kottalam Falls are renowned in the state for its enormity as well as ferocity. At an elevation of 160 meters, the cascade towers above its green surroundings and magnificent hillside. A scene from the award-winning 1992 Hindi movie Roja was filmed here, along with several other South Indian movies, and the waterfall has continued to grow in its popularity as a tourist attraction since then. Number 5. Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve. Kalakat Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve, located in the southern western Ghats in Tirunelveli district and Kanyakumari district in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu, is the second largest protected area in Tamil Nadu. It is part of Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. It was created in 1988 by combining Kalakat Wildlife Sanctuary and Mundanthurai Wildlife Sanctuary, both established in 1962. Number 6. Manimuthar Dam. The Manimuthar Dam is located in Manimutharu, 50.8 kilometers away from Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu, India. It is the biggest reservoir of the Tirunelveli district. This dam was built in 1958 near Singampati and Kalidaikurichi by the then Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Kamaraj and KT Kosalram MP to prevent mixing of rainwater with the Bay of Bengal during the rainy season. It can hold water up to 118 feet. The dam is 5,511 million cubic feet. Number 7. Kappal Matha Church. Kappal Matha Church is located at a distance of over 70 kilometers from the city but is well worth the extra effort. The church is in the shape of a boat. This is so because the town where it is located, Uvari, mainly thrives on fishing as a source of income. The church is dedicated to Saint Mary and is by the seashore. Number 8. Kattabomman Memorial Fort. The Tamil Nadu government built the Kattabomman Memorial Fort in the memory of the freedom fighter Kattabomman. He was an 18th century chieftain who didn't accept the predominance of the British East India Company and waged war against them. He was awarded a death penalty after he was captured. The memorial stands at the site where he was hanged to death and is considered a shrine by the locals. Number 9. District Science Center. The District Science Center was opened to the public on 27 February 1987 with a gallery on treasures from ocean and a science park. Soon the center became one of the most popular centers in NCSM network with the spontaneous support of the local community. The aim of the center is to popularize science and technology among public and to supplement science education in schools and colleges to foster a spirit of scientific inquiry among the students. Number 10. Thirumalai Kovil. Thirumalai Kovli is a Murugan temple situated at Panpoli, Sengotai in the Tenkasi district of Tamil Nadu, South India. It is about 100 kilometers from Thiruvananthapuram. The temple is situated on a small hill surrounded by the Western Ghats near the border with Kerala. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.